Well, it is a Friday and I am back in the office. I was in Atlantic County this morning representing a client in New Jersey, and now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, seeing some clients in the afternoon session. With that said, we did come out with our weekly e-update today. We turned out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles in that e-update, specifically the top 20 questions regarding firearms in New Jersey. In addition, I have an article in there regarding Philadelphia's driver's equity law. In my blog this week, I did write an article regarding St. Patrick's Day, and people may even be carrying the St. Patrick's Day celebration into the weekend. And the article focuses on enjoying the holiday responsibly, and I explain both civil and criminal liability in regards to DUI and DWI. When I'm talking about that, I'm talking about dram shop liability, which people often think of as simply being limited to a bar. But in that article, I detail that a social host can also be just a private person having a party at their house. And I explain how Pennsylvania and New Jersey treat that very differently. I also talk a little bit about general impairment DUI in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. With that said, it is Friday. It is the weekend. People will be traveling out and about. It's supposed to be pretty good weather this weekend, and I imagine the highways will be filled in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. You have the right to refuse the field sobriety test, but make it clear to the officer why you're doing that. Remember, you are under no obligation to make any statements to the officer other than providing your license and registration. Do not fight with the officer. Do not attempt to stop the officer if they attempt to search your car, but do not give consent to search your vehicle, whether it be in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. Remember that in Pennsylvania, police need a warrant to search a car, but again, don't get in their way. In New Jersey, it follows the federal standard and they can perform warrantless searches, but again, don't get in their way, even if they are asking you questions and you're really upset. Maintain your composure and let them do what they're going to do. And after, you can fight the case with your criminal defense lawyer if, in fact, you are arrested. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gamebonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available in one convenient format. Also, you can sign up for the e-update, which is available on the website. And by signing up for it, you receive it every Friday. We come out with it every Friday. It's some great information to have going new weekend. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you are arrested, remember the best time to hire a lawyer is right after that arrest. Never assume that bail's not going to be an issue, especially in New Jersey. Remember, Pennsylvania and New Jersey have very different bail systems. In New Jersey, it is a cashless bail system. In Pennsylvania, it is the traditional cash bail system. So keep that in the back of your mind. But again, if you have questions, once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.